Hi guys, welcome to another video in our website creation journey. In today's video, we shall be creating a portfolio website using HTML and CSS. Guys, just in case you are coming across this channel and this video for the first time, we are in a journey to create a full functional website, so you can join us. A full functional website, the front end development of a full functional website using HTML, CSS, and a bit of JavaScript. So in my video, there is a video that I did the homepage. This is the homepage. So this is the homepage. And then in another video, I did the about page. So you can see the about page and then the contact page. So this is the form, the contact form. And just to explain a bit, this is where the user will insert the email and the text. Hi. And the text. So after the user inserts that text, he can either reset or he can send it to you. So hitting submit will take him or her to the Google email or the email provider that he uses or she uses, and he will submit that text in form of an email to you. So this can be a very good in terms of if you are doing a personal project, because if you are doing a personal project, it is not mandatory that you have the back end. You can just have the front end part only. So then we created the blog page, so you can have your post there. And then today we are doing the portfolio. So let me take you through what we are going to do. So this is the name of the project. So my recent projects, the images, and you can see when you hover at them, they transform a bit. So the name of the project description, this is the button that will link to that particular website you have created. For example, when the user will click on this, it will take him to another page or another tab, and it will have this. So for example, this is the example I'm using, and when you click this image, it opens up. So the full screen image. This image I'm using over here is a bit small, so let us try that on a bigger in size image. So this is the big size image. So you can actually show people this is the website you have created. For example, if this is the website you have created or any other task you have done, and then these are two rows. So the first row and the second row. So you can add as many rows as you wish. And then we have this footer. So the footer is the same in every page. The footer is the same and the header is the same. So let us get into the coding and run every aspect and every function. In my case, I am using VS Code. I'm using Visual Studio Code. So the header is the same and the footer is the same. So that means I copy pasted these from any of these other pages. Also, I copy pasted the footer over here, this footer from any other page. This is the footer. So we have some JavaScript over here, some JavaScript function. So you can see the image is opening, right? So let's start from the head. So this is the name of the, or rather the title of the page. We have the link to the style sheets. This is the style sheet. So it is style portfolio.css. So this is the navigation. So we have the portfolio section. This is the first layer, or rather the first row. So the heading is my portfolio projects. So we have this. This is where you will insert your image. Okay. So we have the class project, and then we have the alt text, and then we have this function over here on click, full screen image, and then we have the name of the project description. Then we have that button that will link people to that website. So this is the link to the website, and the text is go to site. So that is the first project, and then we have this other project, then we have this other project. Remember, in my row I had 3 columns. I had 3 columns and 2 rows. So that's the third project. And then we have the second layer, and then we have the same functions. So you can insert your details here, your details, like for example the image, the description, the links, and you can alter or change any text that you want. So if I wanted to do another row, I would just paste this. I will just copy and paste this down here, right? Down here, and it will be another row or another portfolio row. So this is the function. This is the function. This is the function for the full screen image. And now for the full screen image, we should have a small division over here with an ID full screen image. So span ID cross button. So we have the cross button, the X, right? So this is the cross button over here. And then we have the image. This is now the image of any image that we click or any image that we add over here. And now this is the function of the full screen image. So we have get element by ID. We have full img. So source SLC. We have document get element by full screen image style display flex. Okay. Then we have the function cross button. Okay, document get element by ID. So this is rather the JavaScript, and you can see it is the script up to that point. So and then we go to the footer. So to the footer, a short description of the company. So you can add these pages if you want, like for example create a privacy policy page and link it here. Have the terms of services, the sign in, and then this is now your email and your phone. Then we have the copyright of the company. So that is all in our HTML page. So all we need to do next is go to the style sheets. So the header is the same. So the body, we have the body style. We have the content item fruit. Okay, so we have the header. So this is the style for the header, and you can see I have these comments over here that are explaining everything. So we have the navigation, and you can see in my navigation I'm using an ordered list. So the navigation list style none. So the comment here is this will remove the bullets. So we have the navigation UL link. Okay, display inline. That means it will display horizontally. It will display them horizontally. And then we have this, the A tag over here. This is actually the anchor tag. And then we have the hover. Then we have the section. Now this is the section where we have the projects. And then we have the projects display. Then we have project, the image. Then we have the image hover transform. You remember when we touch on the image, it transforms a little bit. We have the project rings. We have the rings. We have these rings, the A tag over here. And then we have the hover. Then we have this section, the division. Actually, it has an hashtag. It's a division. It's an ID, full screen image. We have that ID over there. And then we have the cross button. You remember, guys, we had the cross button, the ID cross button. And then we have the styles for the footer. So actually that is all for today's video. Meet you in my next video where we shall be doing our shop. We shall be doing the front end part of a shop. So thank you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't miss out in my next videos.